Hi, it's a quick one for you today, but I just had to share this with you. Have you seen the triangle boxes before? They're an oldie but a goodie. They are so quick and easy to make. I've dug it up recently and refreshed them. These little boxes are so cute. You can give them as little treats inside. They would be great as a table setting gift. Or why not hang them on the Christmas tree to give to your family and friends? So I'm going to go through it and show you how to make it, giving you the measurements in metric and in inches so you can easily go off and make them. So what you'll need is some gorgeous paper, and we have so many to choose from. I'm sure you've got some at home. This one I'm using is the Season of Green and Gold specialty paper. So I've chosen the gold print this time for this little box. Bring in your paper trimmer. Now you can make these any size, but for this particular one, you'll want to have the length twice as long as your width. So we're going to have 10 centimeters wide by 20 centimeters long, or that will be 4 inches by 8 inches. Now you're going to put your paper on your trimmer. You want to score it at the halfway point. So that will be 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Keep that little trimmer blade out of the way. We don't want to touch that. You're going to score it. If you don't have a trimmer that has the scoring tool, you can get the scoring tool and score it down like that. Now, what you need to do next is, I find it easier if you turn the paper over because it's usually a little bit of a less pattern print on the other side. For this one particularly, you're going to score that at halfway across. So just remember, double the length to your width, score it halfway. You're then going to mark it halfway. So for this, I'm doing it 5 centimeters or 2 inches. So mark that there. Also mark it down the bottom. Now then you want to put your pencil mark in that track on your paper trimmer. Then put the fold mark. If you're having trouble finding that score line halfway, just give it a fold and it's much clearer to see. So put the pencil mark there, line it up, so just check it. Just keep checking to make sure as you move it, it doesn't shift. Then you're going to score that at an angle. Just run that up and down a couple of times. Then we'll go to the other side, put that pencil mark in your track, move that down to the track on your score line there, and run that up and down. Turn it around the other side. Line up your pencil mark. We're going to do that once again. Run up and down. Run up and down. All right, so we've got all our score lines there. Move the paper trimmer out of the way. Now we can just fold those on the score line, fold the angles in. Give it a press. You can use your bone folder, run up and down. That'll just crisp up those folds, giving it a nice, even, smooth look. And then you're going to just fold that up. It's like a clamshell. You're just folding one over the top of the other. Just make sure that both flaps are on the outside the same. So then you can punch your holes in it. We're just going to open that out, and using a hole punch, I'm actually going to use the good old crocodile and just move that in, punch it out there. It is much easier to have those flaps open. Turn it around this side. So just make sure that that paper is lined up with the edge of the box. Give that, put that crocodile in again, punch that out. get your ribbon. I'm just going to use some of the gold ribbon, and you're going to feed these through the holes, doing from one side to the other. Just double check that both the same ones are on the inside as you feed it through. So just I'm going to tie that off. I'm going to show you the finished result, so make sure you stay tuned. We're just going to tie that off. Now I'm just going to show you how to do your bow if you have trouble with bows. So you're going to tie it off, then do bunny ears. I find that so much easier. Create a loop with the other one. It doesn't matter how big. We're going to take one side over the top of the other loop. Now bring that one that you have at the top around behind it and through that bottom circle loop that you'll create. Grab it. Now as you grab it, just let go of that strand and pull. So you can replay that if you have trouble seeing how to create your bow. Once you get the right length, you can just trim that up. So let's have a look at a finished box. We have, for this one, I've used the reindeer dies for this with that cute little wreath. It's so sweet. And the merriest trees for the banner. And I'm bringing back our other one with the season of green and gold paper. This one, the dies are cut with the golden greenery dies. And this greeting is greetings of the season. Some lovely new ones, these ones from the online exclusives, which are only available. You can see them online, but you can order them through your demonstrator. So I hope you get to make one. You can make these for any occasion. Change up the paper, change up the beautiful sentiments on the front, and give them to a friend or a family member. I'm sure they're going to love them. So I hope you get to make one very soon. So thanks for joining me. Bye.